Reading passage 3, the psychology of innovation. Why are so few companies truly innovative? Sometimes the companies claim they are innovative, but they are not. They are saying, why are so few companies truly innovative? Kind of the question answers that we are having. Question number 27 to 30. Choose the correct letter, A, B, C, or D. Multiple choice questions. It could kill your valuable time when you're reading tests, so you should be careful, right? Skimming technique laga sakte hain if you can find it out or figure it out, the gist of the meaning of the sentences da ya paragraph di hai da. Question number 27th, the example of the $1 million quartet underlines the writer's point about, and I hope all you know now we are having a word which is given in inverted commas. It will be used by the writer as it is in the reading passage. Scan करके उस जगह तक पहुंचने कोई problem नहीं होगी. And if I just start scanning from the first paragraph onward, in first paragraph I'm unable to see this. Not even in the second paragraph. In the third paragraph, they have given this word $1 million quartet. The meaning is, this is the place where you're going to get the answer of the 27th one. Right? You could put a number here, 27th is jagah te. Question number 28. James Watson suggests that he and Francis Crick won the race to discover the DNA code because they, James Watson, Francis Crick, DNA. DNA words nu scan kariye. First page, DNA. In the second column, that's not there. If I just turn the page, first paragraph, I could see very positively the term that is a DNA. Now, 28th answer in this particular paragraph. Question number 30th says, in the last paragraph. Now, where the 30th answer is? In the last paragraph. Now, you're having the clear picture where they have placed these question answers. That's why I said MCQ could kill your valuable time. So your approach must be very much clear. Simultaneously question answers karne chahiye. Already, I hope we have given you this idea